What's up and welcome everybody. Thank you for tuning in once again. If you haven't seen the last video, link is gonna be in the description below. Thank you again for tuning in once again. And today I'm gonna bring it back straight to the basics. Business 101. Question is gonna be what are assets, what is assets, what is liability, or what are liabilities also, and eventually gonna lead up to what is equity. So start off with the good stuff. What is an asset? So I'm gonna got this straight off of Google. An asset is a useful or valuable thing. And I'm gonna give you examples. For example, money is an asset. You got land, asset. Any type of property, for example, buildings, let's say houses, asset. Investments are asset, or something in your inventory, asset. So usually an asset is something that can generate cash flow. For example, your house could be an asset. Why? Because today it might be valued at 200K. 5 years from now, it's valued at 400K. It's an asset. Why? Because it's generated money. You can also make different type of incomes off a house, but I'll get to that in another video. So stay tuned for that for sure, because everybody wants to know how to make more money. So another thing that an asset can provide to you is it can reduce expenses. For example, let's see. So if you have a car, you can get a point A for point B for this much money compared to taking a Uber every single day. You're wasting $7 to get from point A to point B, etc., etc., etc. So that's one way. Also, an asset can improve sales. That's more into the business industry. So let's see an example for that. If you have 50 employees working for your business compared to having 100 employees, which one is going to be more productive? Obviously, the 100 employees in this situation. Assets are a very good thing to have. The more you have, the better you are usually doing. I said usually because there is a way that having too much assets can be a bad thing, and I'm gonna explain that to you in the next topic. All right. So now that I told you what an asset is, you guys are probably wondering like, all right, so what's a liability? So liability is anything you owe. For example, I'm guessing on a monthly rate, you guys get bills, electric, water bill, heat, phone bill, your Netflix subscription, or whatever it is. Bills, mortgages, anything that you can't turn into money is pretty much a liability, or anything that doesn't generate money, I should say, is a liability. For example, you buy those $500 pairs of Jordans, that's gonna be a liability. Why? Because you can't do nothing with it. You just wasted $400 on a pair of shoes that's not gonna make you any money. Unless you wanna flip it and make money, which turns it into an asset. Anyway, let me stick to liability though. So pretty much, a liability is pretty much anything you owe, anything that you owe. So let's say student debt, you gotta owe that. So yeah. So let me pretty much get to the point is, in order to be successful in life, you must have more assets than liabilities. This is where equity comes in. Equity is assets minus liability. And the more equity you have, the more wealth that you have. So at the end of the day, the point of this whole entire video is be smart with what you own or what you buy as a whole, for example, because what you buy is what's going to determine whether you have more assets than liabilities. And in order to be successful in life, you must have a lot of equity. In order to have a lot of equity, you gotta have more assets than liability. So make your decisions smartly once you're able to, once you're producing enough money to. Be smart with what you got and learn how to make the most of it, and think smart. So health is wealth, learn that. Before you guys go, thank you so much for watching this video once again. If you haven't watched my previous videos, go and watch those. Let me know what you think about them. Leave a like. Comment what you think about my videos. Comment what you want to see in the near future. Comment what you any advice you want to give. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Subscribe to hear more of this. Let me know what you guys want to hear. Let me know what you guys think, obviously. And your advice, your opinions matter. And this is how we're gonna make this channel grow and proceed in the future, thanks to you guys.